At the far edge of the solar system, beyond the familiar orbits of the inner planets and the majestic gas giants, there lies a distant and powerful world, Neptune. From Earth, it appears as nothing more than a faint blue dot in the darkness of space. But this remote planet is a place of immense energy, violent weather, and enduring mystery. Unlike the planets known since ancient times, Neptune was not discovered by accident. In the mid-19th century, astronomers studying the motion of Uranus noticed something strange. Its orbit did not behave exactly as expected. Something unseen seemed to be tugging at it from the darkness beyond. Through careful mathematical calculations, scientists predicted the existence of another massive planet. In 1846, telescopes were pointed toward the predicted location, and there it was. Neptune became the first planet in history discovered through mathematics before it was ever directly observed. From space, Neptune reveals its most striking feature, its deep and mesmerizing blue color. This vivid hue is created by methane gas in the planet's atmosphere. Methane absorbs red wavelengths of sunlight and reflects blue light back into space, giving Neptune its signature appearance. But beneath this calm and beautiful color lies one of the most extreme environments in the entire solar system. Neptune is the windiest planet we know. In its upper atmosphere, storms rage with winds reaching speeds of more than 2,000 kilometers per hour. These are the fastest planetary winds ever recorded, nearly 20 times stronger than the most powerful hurricanes on Earth. Massive storm systems swirl across the planet's atmosphere, forming enormous dark vortices that can grow as large as entire planets. These colossal storms twist through the blue clouds, shifting and evolving over time. Some appear suddenly, rage for years, and then vanish without a trace. Even sunlight struggles to reach Neptune. At a distance of more than 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun, the planet receives only a tiny fraction of the light that warms Earth. Yet despite this faint sunlight, Neptune's atmosphere remains astonishingly dynamic and active. Something deep within the planet is fueling its power. Beneath Neptune's thick atmosphere lies a world that scientists are only beginning to understand. Unlike rocky planets such as Earth or Mars, Neptune does not have a solid surface where one could stand. Instead, its interior is composed of vast layers of superheated fluids, mixtures of water, ammonia, and methane compressed under immense pressure. These exotic materials form what scientists call an ice giant mantle, though the word ice here refers not to frozen crystals, but to dense, scorching fluids existing under extreme conditions. As pressure increases deeper inside the planet, matter begins to behave in strange and unfamiliar ways. Some models suggest that carbon atoms within methane may be compressed so intensely that they form diamonds. Diamonds that could slowly fall like rain through the planet's interior. Far above this mysterious interior, Neptune's atmosphere continues its endless motion. Giant cloud bands wrap around the planet, while storms surge across the sky like cosmic hurricanes. Orbiting this distant world are 14 known moons and a faint system of rings made of dust and ice. The largest moon, Triton, is one of the most unusual objects in the solar system. Triton moves in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation, suggesting it was once a wandering world captured by Neptune's gravity long ago. Its frozen surface hides a surprisingly active environment. Vast plains of nitrogen ice stretch across the landscape, and towering geysers erupt from the surface, launching plumes of gas and dust high into the thin atmosphere. Despite Neptune's immense distance, humanity has already glimpsed this remarkable world up close. In 1989, the spacecraft Voyager 2 flew past the planet, revealing its storms, rings, and moons in breathtaking detail. Yet that brief encounter remains the only time a spacecraft has ever visited Neptune. Today, scientists continue to study this distant giant using powerful telescopes and advanced models, searching for clues about how planets form and evolve, because even at the outermost frontier of our solar system, worlds like Neptune remind us that the universe is still full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. High above the deep layers of Neptune, scientists imagine a strange and alien environment hidden beneath its turbulent atmosphere. Far below the thick clouds may lie vast layers of supercritical fluids, water, ammonia, and methane, forming something like a dark, exotic ocean. If it were possible to float above this hypothetical sea, the view would be surreal. A dim blue glow would filter through a dense methane haze, while slow, massive waves rolled across the surface under immense pressure. The horizon would fade into fog, creating an otherworldly, planetary landscape unlike anything on Earth. Above this mysterious world, storms form with incredible speed. A small cloud disturbance can quickly grow into a gigantic vortex hurricane. From orbit, enormous cloud structures stretch across the horizon, while deep lightning storms flash within Neptune's powerful and restless atmosphere.